I'm one of the senior consultants at Ricoh. We're looking at Power BI and the Microsoft Showcase reports we've developed. So we're looking at a desk and meeting room report. Looks fairly fancy, but it's actually straightforward. We just get data from Microsoft Exchange Online. If you go to Get Data, More, Online Services, Microsoft Exchange Online, Connect. Type in your email address. Click OK. Go away to connect to Microsoft Exchange Online, and you can extract your data from your calendar, your mail, your meeting requests, people, and tasks there. So just click Cancel. So what we've done here is we've connected Power BI to our Microsoft Exchange Online, and we're pulling out all of our meeting room requests. Our meeting room booking system is based around Microsoft Exchange Online, so it's fairly easy to connect to it and extract the data out. So what we have here is a visualization to show you the active meeting rooms. They've been filled in where they're active. You've also got an overview of meetings in progress. You've also got the concept of active desks and inactive desks, which I'll be coming to in a moment. So looking at the meetings in progress, we have a measure in there which figures out the current time and then shows the actual meetings in progress. So you can see we have meeting room 2, 3 and 4 in progress at the time. You can see the start and end dates, you've got the subject, you can see who's in the actual meetings themselves. The main visualization is the Synoptic Panel Designer custom visualization, and you can click on it, hover over it, and you can see the current utilization. And you can also, if you want to filter out the filter report better, you can click on it and it will show you the actual, say, subject invites in there, and you can deselect it if you go through there. What we also have is the concept of active and inactive desks, where we've partnered with a couple of suppliers who have desk monitoring systems, where customers wish to maximize their real estate and desk space. For example, you can have a ratio to desk of 2.1 people to a desk. And because there's hot desking and people work from home and different ways of working, holidays and sickness, you can maximize your actual real estate and the amount of desks that you have. There's a couple of interesting companies which have already done this, particularly in the London area, where you have particularly expensive real estate. So what we have in the custom visualization is a PNG file background image, and on it has been laid over SGV elements. So as I mentioned, you've got meeting rooms, you've also got markers to show which desks are active or inactive, and you also got a couple of highlights here to say how many active desks there are, how many inactive desks. Now, this is a very nice visual approach, but what you can actually do in our first version was we created a office diagram in Visio, and you can layer elements over it again. This is a very, very approximate representation of the rigid office space. So again, you've got the concept of meetings in progress and which meeting rooms have been used. And again, you have the concept of what desks are occupied. This quite literally took about an hour or so to create the visualization, to draw it in Visio, layer all the elements, and then load it to Power BI. So very quickly, you can have some sort of visual representation of your office and various other things. It doesn't have to be meeting rooms, doesn't have to be desk, can be various other things. We also have a little bit of meeting room detail, so it gives you some meeting room metrics. So basically, we take the exchange data, set a day length of standard office days, and we can work out utilization, how much it's been used, what the utilization is, how many people are in the meeting room itself. So occupancy level, is it, do you have too many people in the room that's too small, or vice versa? And you can also see desk usage by start time. So for this visualization, we have a lot of people seem to come in around about 8 o'clock, between 8:45 and 8:30, and it'll filter down those particular desks which you use and see the utilization. So you can see in some regards, desks are being utilized quite longer than the average working day. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us at Ricoh.